When was the last time you felt alive? Most days, we don't even ask that question. We are too busy, too distracted, caught up in a world that asks for everything and gives back so little. I felt that every single day. Same yesterday, same tomorrow. I was numb. So I changed things. Not slowly, completely. I gave myself to the sea. Many moons ago, I crossed an ocean on a small boat. No signal, no noise, no clue what the world outside was doing. Just water, endless in every direction. The sun and the stars showing us the way. I've never felt that kind of peace. I never felt so deeply alive at the same time. That crossing changed something in me. So I kept going, captaining boats around the world. Different oceans, different coastlines, different faces on deck, but somehow, always the same feeling. And at some point I knew I couldn't keep this to myself. I needed to share it. That's how Stoke Ventures was born. Not a company, a vision, looking for people to share it with. This is what happened when 8 of them said yes.
Day 3 of the first trip of Stoke Ventures, and we already managed to break the outdoor. But the good news is that I have a plan B in mind.
You know that feeling? You stop for a second, close your eyes and just think, everything is okay. That deep breath, that mix of peace and energy, all at once. I started noticing it after a good sail, dropping the anchor somewhere no one else was. Or after yoga, after breathwork, after a hard workout, pushing my body until it had nothing left to give. Different moments, same feeling. And it was always better with people around me. That's what this is. That's what we are doing here. Keeping the Stoke alive. So, when was the last time you felt alive? I hope it wasn't too long ago. But if you ever want to escape everything that keeps us numb, even just for a few days, that's what this experience is for. To disconnect from everything else, to reconnect with what's real, with people, with nature, with the feeling of just being right here, right now. What we're really doing is creating the conditions for something to happen. Something you live, not something you book. This is just the beginning. See you out there. Stoke Ventures.